Good morning, students. So now we will continue the concluding part of this chapter. Madam writes with us. So in the last previous video module we have seen Vali, she had completed her bus riding or the journey, and when she came back, when she reached her home, that time she found, what did Vali find? She found her mother awake and she was busy in talking with one of Vali's aunts. And her aunt, that she was from the South Street. Her mother was busy with talking into the conversation with one of Vali's aunt, which was from South Street. And then Vali said, her aunt, it means aunt, that she was a real chatterbox. Chatterbox means talkative lady, continuously talking. Never, for example, taking pause, never stopped or closing her mouth once she started talking. So that is why Vali said that her aunt, that she was a real chatterbox. Clear? So when she entered, when she came in the house, her aunt asked her, Vali, what did she ask her? Where have you been? Who asked to whom? Vali's aunt asked to Vali, where have you been? She was not expecting a reply from Vali. Casually she asked her. So Vali just gave a reply. It means reply smiled, just smiled, did not say anything. Once again they went on, they means her aunt and mother, they went on busy into their conversation, both of them. And the mother said in between, when their conversation was going on, mother said, yes, you are right. What did she say, mother, to her aunt? Yes, you are right. So many things in our midst. Who said? Vali's mother to her aunt. So many things in our midst and in the world outside. In the world outside which are happening. It means, and we don't know. How could we know? How is it possible to know each and everything which is happening in our midst and in the world outside? It means we are unknown. And even when, for example, we do know about something, then also it is not possible to understand it. Right? How can we know about everything then? And we can't understand. It is not possible. We can't understand it completely, though we know about something. Who said all these things? Her mother to her aunt, Vali's mother. So in between, Vali said, oh yes, she replied. Then mother asked, what did you say? Then Vali said, no, just I was agreeing with what you said. Vali said to her mother, nothing else. So after that the aunt said to her mother, see now, how just a cheat of a girl. Cheat of a girl means, see now, such a little tiny girl. The way that she is speaking, just like she were a grown-up child or the grown-up lady. In that manner that she is talking, or she pokes her nose. Pokes her nose means to speak in between. When the two are talking, just like a grown-up lady. So Vali then, he did not say anything, just he smiled, and they continued with their conversation. These two, Vali's mother and her aunt, that they went on conversation. Vali just smiled, why did she smile? Because she did not want them to understand the reason behind her smile. And it is not possible also, because how is it possible to know, to have the knowledge of each and everything about the things which are happening in the midst plus in the world outside? It was not possible. Here also her mother was unaware about her bus journey or the traveling. She was unaware about her own daughter, the way that she did. So here is the end of this chapter. With this conversation or the Wali is smiling. Here is the end. So at the end of this chapter, we have to find out certain things. We can think over the various things. So the first thing, what should be the theme of this chapter? It's a very lengthy one, long chapter, given, it means divided in 4 parts into 4:1. So the theme, first theme that is coming here, when we think about Wali, for example, Wali, that she was a determined girl, resolute plus confident one, and a brave girl. And this is also anyone could expect from us, our parents or the elders, that we need to be resolute, determined, plus confident, and a brave one. And she had all these qualities. Who? Wali. So that is why she travelled all alone to city or the town, and she came back without her mother's knowledge. Isn't it? So the next thing, one more thing we could say that nowadays, by the incident of that young cow, we can say that it means we are concerned about the traffic and the road safety and the security. This is what the major concern. The way the cow which had been struck by a fast moving vehicle, the way the innocent animals that they are being killed, that they are being, for example, that they are died in such accidents that they are being killed. So this is also one of the major concern, our traffic major concern, or the road safety and security. This is also one of the major theme is coming forward or before us. And one more issue which is raised by the author, do you think is it proper for such a young child or the girl who was only 8 years old to travel all alone without the knowledge of the parents or the mother? The answer would be no. It is not a good thing or the proper thing. Right? Why? Because nowadays so many things are happening, you know. For example, the molestation, rapes or the kidnapping, so many things are happening. If by chance, for example, if the child is coming to a wrong hands or into the wrong hands, so anything could be happen. So that is why the decision which is taken by Wali to travel all alone without the knowledge of the parents, this is not a good decision. We cannot favor, we cannot justify that decision was good. But still, we have to accept all these things. And one more theme we could say that, what is the theme? Once we decide anything, then with our passion or with our determination, we could complete it. Because she had a desire to ride the bus or to ride on the bus. She had the desire, she had the passion. So that is why the way she collected the information gathered, including fare, distance, time, each and everything, it was possible. How was it possible? Only because of her passion, only because of her the determination to travel or to ride on the bus. So that is why the writer said that once we decide anything, so nothing is impossible. With our determination, with our resolution or the passion or the willpower, we could complete the thing, we could achieve the thing, anything. So this is also one of the theme of this chapter. So we could think about this chapter in various angles. So try to do. Am I clear? So in this way, here is the end of this chapter. thoroughly that we have discussed the summary plus theme of this chapter. Right? I hope that you might have understood in detail all the things. You read at home thoroughly, line by line, word by word. It is an easy one to understand, to get. Right? So that's all from me today. Thank you and have a good day.